Welcome to Decoded. JavaScript's typeof operator seems simple, but it has some surprising quirks. Let's dive in. The typeof operator checks the type of a variable. Typeof sees arrays as objects, not arrays. To properly check if something is an array, use array.isArray. Typeof null returns object. This is a well-known JavaScript bug. Functions are objects, but typeof sees them as function. With more complex objects like date and regex expression, typeof still returns object, which may be confusing. When dealing with types, use typeof for primitive types, but use more specialized functions like array_isArray or instance of for more complex types. So, typeof can be quirky. Be sure to check the real type with the appropriate methods. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.